The Ogiame Atuashe the third intercollegiate quiz and debate competition.
Hello, 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 and welcome. It's a new level of intellectual battle as we resume the stage 2 for the Ogiame Atuashe the third intercollegiate quiz and debate competition. Whoa! Amazing. We kicked off yesterday with Group A, B, and C. Right now, the spotlight is going to be on D, E, and F. We're going to find out what they're going to bring to the table. I'm your quiz master. My name is Rejoice Debekeme. Let's quickly find out the schools in the category for D, E, and F, or particularly for D. We have Edjeba College. Let's raise the energy up. Montessori International School. We have Delta Careers College. And finally, we have our Savior Group of Schools. Yes, a very warm round of applause to each and every one of them because they did particularly very good for the first stage. And right now, it's time for us to see how they're going to do, how they're going to perform for the second stage. But quickly, let's see how Group D fared for the first stage, especially what their score points are saying. For Group D, we have Delta Careers College topping up with 21 points. We also have our Savior Group of School having a tie there with 21 points. Edjeba College came through with 20 points. And Montessori International School, 14 points. We are super excited. We are proud of each and every one of you, and we are rooting for you every single step of the way. All right? Now it's time for us to have our first session with our first set of schools. For Group D, I'm talking about none other than Edjeba College and Montessori International School. Who do we have representing Edjeba College?
Sunday Sonia Chisom.
Okay.
Edjeba Emmanuel.
Nice. And for Montessori International School?
For their precious.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. I believe you're pumped up, fired up, and you are ready, right?
Yes, quiz master.
Okay, so just before we start the competition, something to just give you a little breather going on there. When you prepare for competitions like this, do you pray? You pray? Do you fast? Do you go to your pastor and say, just lay your hands on me, Daddy? I know when you pray, God hears you. What do?
Just pray.
You just pray on your own. And then, okay, so to give me like one of the prayer points. What's the prayer point?
That God should enable and set what I know, that so that
God should do it.
enable and set what I know, so that I won't be waking or something like that.
So that you won't forget. Okay, remember all the things that you know. He will bring to your remembrance all that you have. Oh my, I like that prayer point. How about you? Do you pray too?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fast too?
No.
No, really, but you just pray.
Yes.
On your own, or you have your dad hold your hand, or your mom hold your hand, or your siblings?
Ma'am.
On your own. So what's your prayer point?
My prayer point is that God should remember me of all that I've studied.
All that you studied, bring to my remembrance. I like the sound of that one. Alrighty then, how about you, Montessori? Retentive. I want to remember. Okay.
I pray for God to give me strength to remember.
Strength to remember. Everybody wants to remember. Remember me, oh Lord. Okay. And indeed, he's going to bring to your remembrance as we kick off stage 2 for your session right about now. All that you have read, all that you have studied, you're going to bring it out. Drop it like it's HOT. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes,
quiz master.
Then let's do this. We're going to kick off with Edjeba College. Remember the rules of the competition. You have 10 questions each for both schools. If you answer anyone correctly, that attracts 2 points. Every correct bonus question attracts 1 point. You still have 1 minute 30 seconds to answer your questions correctly. All right, so take your time, take a deep breather, because whatever you spill out of your mouth first, that's what I'm going to take as your answer. Do you copy and are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Okay, Edjeba College, this is for you. What is the main preservative used in jams and jellies? A. Citric acid. B. Sodium benzoate. C. Ascorbic acid. D. Benzoic acid.
D.
D is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B.
B. Sodium benzoate is correct. Oh yes, that's a good place to clap. Let's cheer them on when they have their answers correct. Right. Alrighty then, Montessori International. Now your question. In a geometric sequence, if the first term is 2 and common ratio is 3, what is the fifth term? A. 54. B. 162. C. 108. D. 81.
B. 81.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C.
C is also incorrect. The correct answer is B. 162 because each term multiplies by 3. That's 2, 6, 18, 54, 162. Alrighty then, now your question. What determines the loudness of a sound wave? A. Frequency. B. Wavelength. C. Amplitude. D. Speed.
A.
A. Frequency is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C. Amplitude.
That is correct. Alrighty then, now your question. What does NCDC stand for? A. National Center for Disease Control. B. Nigerian Center for Disease Control. C. Nigeria Center for Disease Control and Prevention. D. National Center for Disease Control and Prevention.
A.
A is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
D.
D is also incorrect. The correct answer is C, Nigerian Center for Disease Control and Prevention. All right, now your question. What is the name for a group of words that functions as a single part of speech but lacks both subject and predicate? A. Clause. B. Phrase. C. Sentence. D. Fragment.
D. Fragment.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school. Montessori.
D. Phrase.
That is correct.
Okay.
Now your question, Montessori. What kind of reaction occurs when milk turns sour? A. Oxidation. B. Fermentation. C. Hydrolysis. D. Reduction.
D. Fermentation.
That is correct. All right, Edjeba College, let's do this. Which transformation changes the size but not the shape of a figure? A. Rotation. B. Reflection. C. Dilation. D. Translation.
B. Reflection.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
C. Dilation.
That is correct. All right, Montessori International, now your question. What device converts mechanical energy into electrical energy in a bicycle dynamo? A. Motor. B. Generator. C. Transformer. D. Battery.
B. Generator.
That is correct. Edjeba College, let's go. What does CAC stand for? A. Corporate Affairs Committee. B. Corporate Affairs Commission. C. Corporate Administration Commission. D. Company Affairs Commission.
B.
B, that is correct. Next school, what is a word that has the same spelling but different meanings and origins? A. Homophone. B. Homograph. C. Synonym. D. Antonym.
B. Homograph.
That is correct. I know. We like the sound of correct. We don't like the sound of incorrect, but sometimes you win some, sometimes you learn from others, because here we don't lose, we do not fail. Still the Ogiame Atuashe III Intercollegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. We're going to go for a quick commercial break and return back with more questions.
The future belongs to only those who dare to challenge. Are you brave enough to reach for the King's Prize? Set your date and time. Turn on your notification. Our 64 schools go head-to-head in the maiden Ogiame Atuashe III Intercollegiate Quiz and Debate Competition. Brace yourself for intellectual chills and thrills. Watch secondary school students from different local government areas in Delta State battle it out for the grand prize of 10 million naira. This competition will run from the 10th of February to the 24th of June 2025. The Ogiame Atuashe III Intercollegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMPCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation, and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Ugeoyokoro TV.
Thank you very much for keeping it locked into your favorite competition right now, I think, on the planet, if you ask me. It's the Ogiame Atuashe III Intercollegiate Quiz and Debate Competition, and we have moved through Group A, B, and C. Today we're kicking off with Group D. They've had their first session for the first group of schools in that category. Now is on to the next session, so it's 10 down, 10 questions to go. Let's see how they do. It's Edjeba College versus Montessori International School. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Your Quizmaster is ready. I'm Rejoice Debekeme. Let's do this already. All right, Edjeba College. What is the color of bromine gas? A, green. B, yellow. C, red-brown. D, purple.
C, red-brown.
C, red-brown is correct. All right, Montessori International, what is the value of x if 5 raised to power x equals 125? A, 2. B, 3. C, 4. D, 5.
D5.
That is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B.
B3 is correct. All right, Edjeba College, what type of mirror is used in solar cookers? A, plane. B, convex. C, concave. D, cylindrical.
A.
A, plane is incorrect. Bonus to Montessori.
D.
D, cylindrical is also incorrect. The correct answer is concave. Concave mirrors, they focus sunlight to a point. They're useful for solar cooking. All right, now your question. What does NAPTIP stand for? A, National Agency for Prevention of Trafficking in Persons. B, National Agency for Prohibition of Trafficking. C, National Agency for Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons. D, Nigerian Agency for Prevention of Trafficking in Persons.
C.
C, National Agency for Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons is correct. Next school, what type of pronoun is used to ask questions? A, personal. B, possessive. C, interrogative. D, demonstrative.
C, interrogative.
That is correct. Montessori, what is the name for a mixture of metals? A, compound. B, solution. C, alloy. D, suspension.
C. Alloy.
That is correct. Edjeba College, you've got this one. If a coin is tossed 3 times, what is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? A, 1/2. B, 3/8. C, 1/8. D, 1/4.
B.
B, 3/8 is correct. Montessori, what causes the twinkling of stars? A, reflection. B, atmospheric refraction. C, diffraction. D, interference.
B.
B, atmospheric refraction is correct. Edjeba College, what does NECO stand for? A, Nigerian Educational Commission. B, National Educational Committee. C, Nigerian Examinations Council. D, National Examinations Council.
D. National Examination Council.
That is correct. And Montessori International School, you have the final question for this session. What is the term for words that sound similar but have different meanings? A, homographs. B, synonyms. C, paronyms. D, antonyms.
A.
A, homographs is incorrect. Bonus to next school.
B. Synonyms.
That is also incorrect. The correct answer is paronyms. Paronyms are words that sound similar but have different meanings, like affect and effect, you know, that type of a thing. But we're happy and we're proud for you. Let's celebrate them. I know. It's not easy when you're standing behind the podium on the hot stand, or you're sitting on the hot seats, whatever it is going on there. Sometimes all the things you thought you knew, they just disappear. But they have come true with confidence, resilience, and they have dropped all the energy that they have, dropped all the answers that they have. It's now time for us to find out how they performed right after this break.
The Ogiame Atuashe III Intercollegiate Quiz and Debate Competition is proudly presented by the Office of the Sole Representative of the Olu of Warri to the NMTCL in conjunction with Cora Care Foundation, and proudly sponsored by Rokotech Integrated Services Nigeria Limited and Ali Innovative Nigeria Limited. Ruth Gender Foundation. Media partners Atlantic Media and TV Group, Cora Radio, Prime Gossip Gazette, and Ugeoyokoro TV.